Welcome, and here I'm going to demonstrate how to load your post processor. So you've just been emailed a post, so we're going to click on the attachment, right click, we're going to use Save As. You're going to create a directory, or you're going to load it into a directory that already exists. So here I've chosen Post, and you want to be aware of the directory, so I'm just going to copy that, and we're going to hit Save. Next I'm going to go into EasyCam, go to Post, CNC file, so we're going to change that to the post I just saved from the email. And double click or hit open. And now we're going to use the post processor I just emailed you. If you have any questions, you can call 508-347-3222. Thank you for watching.